Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So we have a new box to open on our channel. This is Front Range Soaps Bath and Spa box. And this is what it looks like. It came in this like white outer packaging, and once I took that off, I could just smell some good scents coming from this box. I cannot wait to see what's in here. So since this is a new subscription to me and maybe new to you as well, I pulled up their website to learn a little bit more information, and I do have some information here that was provided. So they are featured on Cratejoy, which I love. I'm a huge fan of Cratejoy. I mention that all the time, and wow, they have 5 out of 5 stars on Cratejoy, by the way. So yeah, let's learn a little bit more about Front Range Soaps. It says it's a bath and spa gift box subscription delivered monthly. Love those, yes. And right now they do have a promo code, which I will leave below, to save 20%. So they offer 2 different boxes, it looks like. So on Cratejoy, it lists their pricing like as the lowest possible. So if you get like 12 months at a time. So the base box without the discount is $29.95, and then they have the deluxe box, which is $39.95. So that's before the 20% off or any discounts you get if you get like a 3, 6, or 12 month subscription. So every month you will receive premium skincare bars, bath fizzies or bombs, and body butter, sugar scrubs, bath salts, and other spa items. Amazing. Oh my god, there's a picture here that looks adorable. It looks fall themed. I wonder if that's what I'll get. It looks amazing, but so a subscription box full of handmade bath and spa products along with some curated items to make your bath the most amazing me time of the day. Each month's box is created with a different theme. So it looks like they sold out of September and will begin new subscriptions with October's box. The theme is Halloween fun with fragrances of bergamot, lily, and candy corn. So 3 and 6 month subscriptions are just kind of checkout, which we kind of touched on. They have premium handmade bath and body self-care items created with the finest ingredients, a new theme every month, and 6 to 10 full-size items. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and I see some of Noah's videos on there, the October box. So I'm not sure exactly when I got. Oh, I have the October box. So this is what you will get, which is great. I love when they send boxes for a review that are of the upcoming month or what you will actually get if you subscribe. So if you subscribe right now, you will get what I'm opening. So I'm gonna stop jabbering on. I think we got all the information. We got the pricing and the discount code and the website, and I'm gonna leave them all down below if you missed that or if you want to subscribe after watching this video. But yeah, let's get started and see what's inside. Oh my god, so cute. So this is what it looks like when I open it, and look, there's like a little cat here. Before I drop everything out of the box. There's a little black cat. Oh my god. When black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. October's Bath and Spa Luxury Gift Box. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. It gets even cuter. What? Look at how the tissue's wrapped. Oh my god, they put so much detail just into the wrapping. That is so cute. I need to change or save that little cat felt. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's a handwritten note. It says, "Happy October. Thank you for choosing our box," and signed by Deb and Jamie. That is so sweet. I love that little touch. And then there's November spoilers, which I'll touch on at the end. And then the owner's like information if you have any questions. Wow, that's so personal and I love it. And it shows everything you get inside with a little description and pictures. I think this is so great. Oh my god, I haven't even seen one product yet and I'm like, yes, it's so cute, you guys. I love this. Okay, so there's a little swigglies holding everything. I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see because it's the only thing kind of sticking out of the packaging. And it's a little pumpkin soap, I think. Let's see, yeah. Oh, deluxe vanilla. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. God, I love stuff like this. So this is glycerin soap. This is so good. It says, "What do you get when you divide the circumference of your jack-o'-lantern by its diameter? Pumpkin pie." And this is like PI. That's funny. Premium skincare bar, fragrance, and deluxe vanilla. I love it. I normally would never put like a spider thing close to my face, but I know it's fake. It's okay. I don't like spiders. Oh my god, this is so cute. Here's another soap. Oh my god, I love the thing. This is my first like Halloween type package I've gotten so far, and it's like getting me in the like spirit. So bergamot lily glycerin soap. They're like a little tombstone. Can you guys see? Oh my god. It's like here lies, and then you can't read anything else. Mmm. Smells as described. Awesome. So the no whistling but do send lilies, glycerin soap, grave with sunken tombstone, fragrance, and bergamot lily. This is so cute. I really want to make sure you guys can see, but I don't know if you can through the packaging. I don't want to open it yet. This is gonna be a great gift. Huh? Is this a bath bomb? Oh my god, it's like an eyeball. Yeah, oh, it's a bath bomb or a shower steamer. That's awesome. But look at this. It's an eyeball. It's, know why mummies never reveal their true age? Because they like to keep it under wraps. I love how they have these, like, cute dorky jokes. Bath bomb / shower steamer, fragrance, and plum sugar. Mmm, this is so cute. I love the Halloween themed stuff so much. Oh man, yes, a candle. I love candles so much. It's wrapped up nicely. Let me get this open. Ooh, and this says Fog Cloud. This is a 3-ounce soy blend scented candle. So here's what it looks like, then we'll take a sniff. It says, what do spiders do for fun on Halloween? Surf the web. Scented candle, fragrance, and fog cloud. Oh my gosh. This smells good. Yeah, I like this. I wish I could describe scents better. But it smells like a cloud. I love it. I'm such a dork and reference smell-o-vision in like every video, but it's gotta come about. Someone who's smart, invent that shit. Stuff. Invent that. I see some treats. You got some M&Ms. It says, say boo and scary on. Sweet treats turn everyday stress into relaxing bliss. So we have some regular and some peanut M&Ms. Awesome. No way. Oh my god, this box is so good. Bath salts and candy corn. Look at this. It, like, seriously, how'd they keep the colors separated so well? It says, what do spiders, wait, oh, I said the wrong thing earlier, didn't I? Oh no, they have it on here twice. So bath salts, fragrance, and candy corn. Oh my god, it smells like candy corn. This is too cute. Oh my gosh, I need to just play all this. It's almost October, it's appropriate, right? This is so cute. I can't get over it. Oh my gosh. Little ghosts. They are hitting all the Halloween themes. What is a ghost's favorite dessert? Blueberry pie with ice cream. Bath bomb / shower steamer, fragrance, and ghostly night. Oh my god, everything is so cute. It smells good. This is like the cutest soap subscription I've it looks like we have one more thing in here. And this is body butter, luxury skin cream with shea oil and vitamin E. And this is in the scent Mystical Woods. It says, how can you tell if a vampire has a cold? Because of the coffin. Body butter, fragrance, and Mystical Woods. Like I said, let's get this open. Oh man, this smells so good. A little bit on my hands. Smells so good. Oh, there's one more joke in here. It says, know how Frankenstein likes his potatoes? Monster mashed. This is so cute, you guys. I loved this, if you couldn't tell. I love boxes that stay on theme, and this was all on theme and all smells amazing. Like, I can't get over this, how cute this all is. You get all this amazingly themed stuff. Like, okay. So it was the body butter. You get a candle, smells really good. You get two bath bomb / like shower steamers. One's this like eyeball, and one's a ghost. You get bath salts that look like a candy corn and smell like it too. You get two soaps. One's this pumpkin. This smells amazing, like vanilla. And then this amazingly themed bergamot lily tombstone soap. This was so great, and don't forget the candy. This was so cute, I loved it. I love the theme, I'm so excited. Let's read what the November box theme is now. Like, how can you beat this? This was so good. November box spoilers. Everyone must take time to sit and watch the leaves turn. So it's probably gonna be more like fall, like leafy stuff. What do you guys think? Everyone must take time to sit and watch the leaves turn. Well, they'll definitely give us some good stuff to like relax with and stuff like that. But what do you think else will come in it? I bet there'll be like a leaf-shaped soap, maybe? What else? I don't know, but I love fall scents, and these will smell so good, but I bet everything in the November box will smell amazing as well. So yeah, I think this was super great, you guys. This just like brightened my day. I was already in a good mood, but now I'm like even better. I just want to like display this in my bathroom and have someone come over and be like, I don't know. I'm not, let's get real, I'm gonna use it because it all smells so good, even though it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I love stuff like this, but I think they did such a great job. You guys have to let me know what you thought. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!